So what I can do here, I can take one router, I can say this is the R1, and here I can take one switch here, I can take another switch here, I can take one PC or two PC here and two PC here, and this side we can connect like this. And we need to assign the IP. So here I will put the IP address what I am using this side. This side is this IP. So here also to the computer we can assign, and here you can write to this one. Okay, and go here, go to desktop, assign here IP, and this slash you can remove, and here you can put to this one, and here you can put 64 and gateway. What I done here, let me /64. Okay, and the gateway here, this one I will put 2 because gateway is 1, because 1 we are going to assign to the router interface. So here I will give this one is a, this way you need to assign. This is the IP address IPv6. You will write /24 as we are writing in the IPv4. Here /24/64 I am using, and this is the router gateway. Any confusion here? This way I will assign the IP to the computer, and I will go here, I will assign here, I will assign 3. This is another computer. Here I will go here, I will put this, and here I will put the 3, and here 64, and here I will put this, and gateway will be same 1, because this router interface I am going to assign 1. I will put this here, and then what we can do, I can go here, I can assign here this 2. Okay, and go here, desktop, assign here, and here you will give 2 because different network we are doing. Here I will assign, and I will put 1 here, because here you see here this is a network portion from here to here. So here you have 1 and here you have 2, so 2 different network. Now if you close and open, they will do the short, the IP. See how short they done here. So here I will go, I will assign here, and here I will put this is a 3, and then I will go inside the computer, I will put here this, and I will say this will be 3 here, and this will be 64, and this will be the gateway will be here 1 only, so I will leave like this. Okay, now I will go inside the router, so I will go here. Okay, let's do the configuration. I will write enable config t host name. I will change the host name as a R1, then IPv6 enable, what we will do, unicast-routing, and then interface F0/0 I will write, then IPv6 address, and this address I need to write, so I can copy or you can type this one I can put here, this one, then after that IPv6 enable no shut. Okay, I done this one. Then another interface F0/1, and here IPv6 address we can add this here, I press enter, and I will write here IPv6 enable no shut. Okay, R1 configuration is done. Now you can ping, it will work. You can ping to this IP whatever you have here from here, this PC, it will work. You can write here ping and paste this one and press enter, and you can see it will work. Still here STP is working, so it will not work until this become green. After that it will start working. So now it is working. Okay, so this is a IPv6 lab. In this one what we learn, how to make the communication between different network with the help of router.